Hi, I'm Jeff Wan from Han Plastics, and I'm here outside of our yard in Manchester, UK, and I want to introduce you to our heavy-duty ground grid, okay? Yeah, these are really strong. Back in our yard, we're surrounded by 100% recycled plastic products. And coming back to the heavy-duty ground grid, this is an excellent product for ground reinforcement, truck parking, farm vehicles, laneways, car parking, anywhere that heavy vehicles need to travel. Commonly, people use the concrete version, which is heavy to work with. It's about 3 times the weight, but it also can become brittle. So I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to give it a bit of a toss. Of course, we can drop and throw these and they won't break. So what I'd like to show you here is just the raw material, the recycled plastic that goes into making the product. This is the same material that you would end up throwing in your recycling container, things like water bottle tops, grocery bags, etc. And the nice thing is that with the heavy-duty ground grid being made out of this material, just like the grids that we left out in Ontario, cold will not affect these, they're not going to crack, constant moisture will not break down the product. So in addition to being eco-friendly, it's also an incredibly durable material. And the nice thing is that at the end, the product ends up also becoming 100% recyclable again. Okay, so what I'd like to do is just do a loading comparison. We have the concrete version over here, and then we have the recycled plastic heavy-duty ground grid over here. So let's get started and just show the difference between working with the two. Okay, I've just loaded 10 of the concrete version in, and I'll be honest, those are not fun to work with at all. They're heavy and they're awkward. So now we're going to do the 100% recycled plastic ground grids. Let's see how many we can put in. Okay, I've got 16 in there. And you can see I can pick up 2 at a time, much faster, much easier to load, much simpler. Heavy-duty ground grid is extremely durable and really strong. But anywhere where heavy vehicles are traveling, this is an ideal product. So there's many, many benefits to using the heavy-duty ground grid. Because it's open cell, it allows for proper drainage, and using this product adds an eco-friendly stamp to any project. And that's it. Thanks for watching.